Yep, there he goes. That noise had nothing to do with it. He looked down like, what did I do? That's funny. Oh. I thought my kids would enjoy this.
Yeah, they would. This is a
Man,
big truck adventure.
You can smell the mold coming out of there.
Oh, it's phenomenal. I was in it earlier. It's just
Oh, were you really?
Yeah.
We always thought that somebody had paid the mortgage, paid for the house, put the taxes in trust, and then they died in the house and they were mummies. But there was that guy living in there.
Really close.
Yeah, it was pretty close.
We're pretty close, yeah. He said he had hoarded everything, and everything was so full, it just had aisles you could walk down.
Wow.
You had to hunch over to get to three dumpsters.
Well, I saw the old boy down south of here, so I assume they got him into a new place.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, he was not habitable at all. Sad story. Alright, I gotta get the wife. She's angry at me.
How could you miss this?
She called, she said, where are you? And I said, but.
You don't get to see him tear a house down every day. This is happening a lot. That tells me that either property values are going up or people are just tired of the eyesores.
I think that developers are starting to see an upside.
Yeah.
I think they're seeing a chance to be able to do some of these things. Looks like the North Star going around the States.
Right. Yeah, that
Japanese
surprised me. They had a house similar to this with a person that was having similar hoarding issues over on Charrington that they just tore out.
Yeah. I think as a different crew. I remember the guys that tore down the building at State and Huber, I think, tore down the one in Charrington.
Hey, have a good one.